Mastering the phrase freak out in oral English. Freak out. Two simple words, yet they add color and emotion to your English conversations. Let's dive into its usage today. You know those moments when you lose control, get extremely excited or scared? That's when freak out comes into play. Let's look at an example. When you saw the spider, you freaked out. Here, freak out means becoming very scared or upset. And it's not just for fear. I freaked out when I won the lottery. This shows extreme happiness or excitement. But remember, it's informal. Use it in casual conversations, not in your job interview or a formal letter. Learning phrases like freak out will bring your English to life. So keep practicing and you'll sound more natural in no time.
She was all freaked out about doing it alone.
I remember the first time I went on stage, I freaked out completely. He freaked out when he heard he'd gotten the job.